Hi, I'm James Williams, the Business Development Manager with Ascent Aerosystems. We're here at Commercial UAV, the last couple hours of the show. It's been a fantastic show, and we've got a few things here we're showcasing. Probably first on our list is the Spartan, rebranded from the NX30. We've made a few changes around the heat sinks. We now have navigation lights, and everything is IP56 rated, just like the Spirit. And we now have new leg extensions to give us better ground clearance underneath some of our payloads. Speaking of payloads, we have a new one here today that we're very excited about. We have the MicaSense Red Edge from AgEagle. It's a 5-band multispectral sensor for the agricultural industry. On top of that, we have a couple of Spirits presented here with a line of Next Vision sensors as well as the MicaSense Red Edge. And then, can we move around a little bit? Okay. What we're most excited about here today is the Helios. This is our newest Nano drone, be released in Q4 of this year. It is 249 grams, hand-launched, hand-retrieved, flies on the LTE network, so it allows public safety customers as well as defense to launch the drone and possibly fly from a dispatch center really anywhere on Earth. It uses a 12 megapixel Sony low light sensor as well as forward obstacle avoidance. Has swappable batteries, battery indication lights, strobe, as well as orientation lighting front and back. What would you like to look at next? I guess you'll just do some editing for the in-between. All right, so this is the Spirit. This is our workhorse that's been around since 2014. It was really thought of with the defense customer in mind. It's a modular system designed to be broken up and stuck into a backpack. It uses a simple set of twist locking rings to separate components. Being a cylinder, it's IP56 rated because it's easy to seal with rubber pads and gaskets. You can fly the Spirit in either a single or dual battery configuration for increased flight time. All payloads are interchangeable with Spartan. This happens to be the Dragon i2 from Next Vision. It's a, I believe, 640 by 520 thermal sensor. Last but not least, we're proud to present the Pilot Pro from Free Fly Systems as our newest Blue GCS offering. And I don't know what else you like. That's about everything.